Good morning, Antoinette. How are you guys doing? Hi. Yes, say hello to Lily. Lily, say good morning. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Hope you guys didn't die on Black Friday. And hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your weekend. Sorry, I literally just woke up. So, and don't worry, this is probably gonna get shaved soon. It looks, yeah, it's bad. Yay. See you guys later. Alright, so we're going to work on a fence. I'll try and get video if I can. No promises. Mike is currently on the tractor. I will see what I can do. Hi, Annie. Underneath. Okay, that's kind of cool. Jeez. Hey, babies.
Shut up.
Dorks. Come here. Come here. Alright. Inside. Come on. Come on. Come on, Darla. Let's go inside. I'm going to go inside with them to make sure they're okay. Ginger, come here. Come on, girls. Inside. Hi, darlings. Come on. Well, you're excited to go inside. It's a little titty bit nipply. Annie!
Annie's fine. Get Ginger.
Ginger, inside! Oh, hi.
Yeah. That's what it was on. It's not to your face.
Because you can't do this if I paid you to.
Pretty much.
So slow. See how it sits there and mingles? And then it arches. Split the deck in half. Feather them on top of each other. And arch. One more time. Split. Feather. Oops! That was a triangle.
I'm laughing too hard at this.
You sound like a donkey on crack. Feather. And arch.
Quitches, what do you know what a donkey and crack sounds like?
So it's what? Flip the back. Feather. Nice and easy. And then arch. How do you arch? No, hold on. Here. Okay. So when you're doing this, and you split the deck now, okay. Feather to the table, not feather to the air. So see how I'm feathering to the table? And I just barely crossed over. And then arch. No, what you were doing is you were way up here, trying to feather up here to your, it was weird, you were holding it up here. So you couldn't feather to the table. Okay. And then it simply arch. Okay. Want to try? Yeah, okay. So let's go for that.
Yes, hi. So tiny. Hi. No kisses? Can I have kisses? Hey, Annie. Can I have kisses? No? Okay. Come here. Come here. No, hi. Come here. Oh, yes, your tail's wagging. Tail's wagging. Okay, Annie, you are a pain right now.